Comes in this box here. I should have a repotting mat underneath. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I just want to share with you guys some plants that didn't make it through the winter time because of my neglect and because of the forgetfulness that is me. You know, some plants are just not meant to be, and some plants are just not the right ones to stay. They gotta go. I just want to share that with you guys. And that's the truth. That's the truth. Not all plants are meant to stay. Take it as you know, as you will. Welcome to the plant funeral, sadly. And they are plants that are not really like high priority in my book, so then they end up looking like this. I got my shaken ice espresso here. So good. Let's take a look of all the plants that have died. Isn't this so cute? It's like a little baby banana. I got a bowl here, and I'm gonna start to put it into the compost. Okay, let's start with this one. So this one here is a Syngonium white butterfly, I believe, and it is a mother plant. I have another propagation from this plant growing well, surprisingly, but the mother died. It's in a no drainage planter, and I think I repotted this before in a video. Unpotted. Yeah. No good. We're gonna reuse this compost. We're gonna turn this into compost for the plants that are living outside. This is like satisfying, to be honest. Yay, I have a new pot now. I could use it for another plant. The next one is this one here. This is or it used to be, a carnivorous plant. It was the Venus flytrap, yeah. It was my first time trying this plant, and it didn't work out well. It's a lot of maintenance, to be honest. Keeping it moist, using distilled water, and it's just a lot. Hopefully I could try again in the future, but as of now, I don't think it's going to be something I'm like looking forward to. Sphagnum moss and a little bit of pumice. That's it. And it's not looking too good. Grow lights are such an essential part of like keeping plants indoors, because not a lot of us have the luxury of having, you know, a lot of light in their place. And so grow lights to me are very important to keeping them alive. Besides these plants, these are like the ones I've let die on purpose, if you know what I mean. But the ones that are thriving because of the attention I give them and because of the grow lights that I have. This is another Syngonium. I think this one used to be the Pixie Syngonium, and this is what's left. There are some green in here, but you know what? I'm just gonna let it go. I'm not a huge fan of Syngoniums, to be honest. They're just not my cup of tea at the moment. So we're gonna let it die. Here's a Dracaena. It's also known as the lucky bamboo, and it could grow in water. I have this one growing into soil, but I think I could save this one actually. I just need to trim out the yellowing leaves. What is that? Did you hear that? I think it has to do with me underwatering this plant, and so it's not thriving and it's like yellowing at the bottom, but the top part is growing well. You see the green leaves coming out. I just gotta trim that one. Here's a Monstera prop that I let die because sometimes it's just not worth it. You know, it's just fun to propagate, but sometimes it's like too much. And it's okay because I have many of these regular Monsteras. Here's another one. This one, I love this one so much, but I just forgot about it and it died instantly because it's a fern and they like to be moist, especially this one. This one is the autumn fern and I have it growing in a kokedame style. And in this style, you need to keep it moist all times. And one day I forgot to water it and it just crisped up into like chips here. And now this is what's left of it. And I don't know what to do. Maybe save the moss for something else. And I had it growing in this like cute little ice cream dish. And it's supposed to hold water, but it just dries out really fast. And yeah, it didn't make it. I'm sad, but I have a new container to try something else, I guess. To try a different like kokedame. Here's another plant. It's another fern. I literally had it growing in like a self-watering setup, so I wouldn't have to water it that often. But somehow I neglected it, and it dried up and died. This used to be, this used to be a maidenhair fern, and this is my 5th or 6th maidenhair fern, and it did not make it. So now I know that this is not for me. I'm not gonna rebuy it again. I tried it, as you can see, and it's not, you know, giving what it's supposed to give. It's okay. But now I have this gorgeous planter for something else. It's a home for rent. Okay, last but not least, here is a oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? It's like a little white cat hanging off the planter. It's like, you know. But this there's like no sign of growth. This was an attempt of a bonsai, and it is a, I don't know what you call it in English, but in Vietnamese it's like a New Year type of flower. It has like the yellow flowers. It's called bông mai, bông mai, or some would say cây mai, and I don't know what it's called in English, but it's like a seedling of it, and I had it growing very beautifully, and I just forgot to water it, and now it's a stump, a stick almost, literally a stick actually. Um, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to let it go, and I have a bigger one outside, so don't worry. And the seedling sprouted from that other plant outside. But this one, sadly, it's not going to make it. Yeah. Oh, tragic. Tragic. I should have a repotting mat underneath. Okay. But the ones that are thriving because of the attention I give them and because of the grow lights that I have. Ding! talk about like the plants that are thriving in my care, as you can see, the ones that are looking green and lush, it all has to do with the amount of priority I give them. And also because of the grow lights that I have, because I only have this window here and it's not giving a lot of light. And plus I have a privacy film on there, so that blocks even more light. And it's a north facing window. So grow lights to me are very important to keeping houseplants indoors. They are essential. Just like water and just like air movement, light is important. And recently I was sent a package from Sansi LED, and I've been testing out this grow bulb here. It's like right up here. You can't really see it, and it's working out so well. The plants that are growing underneath are thriving and getting bigger. I just ooh-ahs about this grow light, and I just want to share it with you guys. It's from Sansi LED. They sent over a product for me to try. The remote control LED grow light. It's a full spectrum LED grow light. It has a remote control. And here are the brightness level. You get 25%, 50%, 75, and 100%. And full spectrum just means that it is just like the sun outside. And hopefully I won't get a tan. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now. And I could say that my plants underneath this grow light here are thriving. It's like crazy. It's like bursting in with big leaves, and all the leaves are like, you know, shining and growing towards the light as if it's like outside or something. And the cool thing is that, let me show you. The Sansi LED light comes with a remote, and you're able to control the brightness of it, the um, timer basically of how long it should stay on. You get the options of 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, da da da, and you can turn it off and on. This is so convenient just to sit here and like, ooh, turn it off, turn it on, or have a timer that does it automatically. And you could adjust the brightness. So this is like the lowest. This is level 2. This is 3, and the brightest, which is 4. And the thing I like about this grow light is it emits like a very natural like cast, and it looks like I'm outside. Like the sun is in the building. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm really enjoying this grow light. There's a link down below if you want to check it out. They have other products, like other types of grow lights if you want to see. And you just got to use code Wilson at checkout to save 10%. It's capital WILSON at checkout. You can also stack another discount code with mine for additional savings. Here I have 2 discount codes, and the price went down to $4.50 from $60.